This is Tim here from Your Six Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to easily transfer your contacts from your Android phone to your iPhone. So to do this we need to first back up and sync our contacts to our Google account. So we can just go to the top right and go to settings and scroll on down. Look for Google services. So we can see Google services right here on my phone. We can tap it, go to all services, going down and look for Google contacts. So just take a look at the top email address and just verify that's the email address you want to save your contacts to. And then we can go to Google Contact Sync, go to Status, and just turn it on right here. Keep your Google Contacts synced with this device. So we can just go to this, and then we can go to Contact Sync, and we can just sync it right there. Now when this is synced, we should be able to go to our other device now, and then retrieve them. Now it says also sync device and SIM card contacts right here. You can just turn this on right here. So Google Contacts can automatically sync contacts on your device and SIM so they're backed up to your account and available across Google services. So just turn it on right here, choose your Google account, and then we can back out. So that's turned on. And then we can go over to our iPhone now. And everything should be backed up. We can go to settings and then go to where it says apps way at the bottom. So let's scroll on down. So here's apps way at the bottom under the main settings menu. Tap this and go on down to mail. So we're going to avoid Gmail and go directly to mail. And then go to mail accounts on the top. Select add account. Choose from a list, go to Google. Add your Google account with the web browser, sign in. And mine's already on here. So here's Gmail. And you can see contacts. We can turn on our contacts. Now when you do that, everything you just synced on our Android phone will show up on here. So make sure you sync with your contact, your SIM, and your phone. And that will back up to your Google account. And you can retrieve it right here. And just give it like maybe a minute or two, and everything will pop up under your phone option now. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.